Well, Two Wants to Know is talking all things insurance, and depending where the water is coming from, the roof versus the ground, it determines if your insurance is likely to pay for the damage or not.
The water comes in because of rising groundwater. That is excluded. And so your typical basement damage most often is going to be excluded from the homeowner's insurance policy. The wind blows your shingles off and water intrudes because the wind damaged your house. That is covered.
Now, when it comes to tree damage, if the tree damages your property, it's your insurance claim. It doesn't matter whether the tree comes from your neighbor or comes from yours. This is actually covered. Now, if a tree falls and it hinders you from getting outside of your house, well, the insurance is going to pay for the tree removal, typically up to $1,500. The rest is going to be up on you. And over there, take a look at that. If the tree falls, doesn't damage any property, but just leaves a mess in your yard, insurance doesn't cover that at all. Now, what about power outages? Many homeowners' policies cover a couple of $100s for loss of food, but should you really make that claim?
If you had a catastrophe, a tree fell on your house, you're replacing the roof, you lost power, and oh, by the way, I also lost everything in my freezer. Yes, I would add that to the claim. Your power went out and you lost $250 worth of food. That sucks. That's a lot of money. But no, I wouldn't report a claim over that.
To make the very best use of your insurance coverage, when should you make a claim? Well, our experts' rule of thumb is anything that doubles your deductible. So you got a $500 deductible, only make a claim if that loss totals $1,000 or more. Hey, renters, you need to have renter's insurance. For about $15 a month, you can insure your belongings, and that will also cover you if you need to rent a new place. Your landlord only covers damages to his place, not your stuff.